Palladium is a silvery white metal that is mainly used to make catalysts, low-current contacts, printed circuits, alloys for watches, etc. Palladium foil is made of high-purity palladium material after powder metallurgy, repeated rolling, drawing process and polishing treatment. It contains a series of excellent properties of palladium, such as good ductility, high strength, low melting point and corrosion resistance. Sex is better and the price is affordable. Palladium can react with hydrogen and oxygen to generate electricity, heat and water. And has very good hydrogen absorption properties, so palladium foil can be used in electronics, dentistry, medicine, hydrogen purification, chemical applications, groundwater treatment and jewelry. Our company can also produce palladium silver alloy products for industrial instrument contacts. If necessary, please contact us by email.